Hello, 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 hello. Look at them look for me. But hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you can hear, I am sick. I do not have corona. I do not have COVID. Oh, you cannot say COVID on YouTube. I do not have the pandemic disease. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. So yeah. But I'm sick. I have a cold. Again. Everybody in the house is sick except my mom and my nephew. Literally everybody is sick. So, but oh yeah, and Rihanna. So I guess I just me and Maya and TJ. So half of the house is sick. Yeah, I'm eating calls for my throat. But anyways, welcome back. Did you guys miss me? I did not upload a video Tuesday because I'm sick. I was literally out of it, like when I say mash up, I mean mash up. So I just like thought of something to do, and that's why I did the shorts. But then I'm like, I'm not really into the shorts. No, so I'm like, I want to upload a video for today. So later for tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. So this that I'm recording right now, I'm gonna have to record it, edit it, upload it for tomorrow, for Thursday, for you to see it. So but I wanted to do that much for you guys. So this video right now is just like a chill with me. We're here cooking. Well, my mom is cooking. Let me show you guys what's up. So my mom is cooking. So ooh, that's bright. Hold on, let me turn y'all down. Yeah, so my mom is cooking. Where I live, the apartment, the office people, you know, we're Jamaican. Everybody knows that. So of course they want food. They want the Jamaican goodness. So my mom is a chef. So let me show you what she's making. Over here we have the good curry chicken. Yes. So we have the curry chicken right here. We have the white rice right here. I don't even have to open that. Over here we have the broccoli. Yes. And then I think she made vegetable. And right here she made the vegetable. So this is just like cabbage and carrot. It's like coleslaw basically, almost, something. If you know, you know. The Jamaicans that are watching, you guys know. So this is just like almost like coleslaw, but it's not really. Just Jamaican style veggie. So yes guys, so that's what's happening over here today. But guess what? Look at my necklace. Do you like my necklace? I'm gonna have to show you guys a close-up. I got 2 of them. I bought it on Amazon. This one says chamois. I have to whisper because the mic is literally right in front of my mouth. If I talk on the same pace, y'all gonna be deaf. So this one says chamois. I made one that says Elijah. Let me tell you what happened. So what happened was I ordered 2. I ordered one that says Elijah, right? But I wanted them to layer. So I ordered Elijah one shorter than this one. So I was hoping for it to be like a choker. So it would be right here and then this one would be right here. But then when it came, the Elijah one was literally like a choker, choking me to death. So it was too tight. It was up here, like right up here, but then it wouldn't sit flat like this. It was like this. So that literally make no sense. So I tried it on him, Elijah, and it looks good. I'll insert a picture. It looks so good. So that's now these are gold fill. So what I was doing yesterday, I had it on him majority of the day, just testing his skin with the material. I don't know if he's gonna be allergic to it, so that's why I was literally testing it. So he had it on majority of the day. It's gold fill. It's not real gold, it's gold fill. So he had it on majority of the day just for me to test it to see if he's gonna have any allergic reaction to the material. So far nothing. When he was going to bed last night, I removed it, so I don't see anything, and I didn't put it back on him today. But he's sleeping now. I'm gonna try and remember to show you whenever he wake up. Okay guys, so this is it. So we have the rice in one. To be honest, I forgot to show you when I was preparing it. So now it's already prepared, but yeah. You have the rice in one, chicken in one, vegetable in one, and then I bought this pack of plates for them. It's just 8 plates. And over here, I'm wrapping individual forks for them. So nobody has to touch anything that other person is gonna use or whatever. So I'm just wrapping them individually. So the office lady just came. She picked up the lunch. As you can see, we make it. It's like they're picking up from a catering service. I don't know. Am I the only one who have that little feeling, like just the joy of giving? I like to give. I love to give, and it makes me so happy. Like literally, it makes me so happy. So I know that they're gonna have a really good lunch. She was like surprised. She's like, "Oh my God, you cook." I'm like, "Yeah, she cook. I didn't cook. Mom cook." But yeah, it just makes my heart happy. And I know they're gonna enjoy their lunch. It's curry chicken and rice with veggies and broccoli. So I know they're gonna love it. They frighten you? Don't touch me, camera. Don't touch me, camera.
I almost dry string.
Look. Look at that. Okay guys, so this is Elijah's necklace. I hope you can see it properly. This is what it looks like. Okay, and this is Shamoya. Yeah, so as I say, the original plan was to layer them. So I would put the Elijah as a choker, and then the Shamoya would come a little bit lower. Didn't work out. So see, this is legit like too small. So if it was just a tad bit longer, it would be perfect, because I wanted it very close, like right here, but it's just like a tad bit too close. So it fits him perfectly. So he's gonna be wearing this one, and then I'll wear the Shamoya. I'll probably order back the Elijah for myself a little bit longer, based upon the length that I bought this one. And guys, I don't know if you guys are interested in this, but I don't know, I'll leave the link, but in the description box, just in case you're interested in it. But I don't know, I love them. I love gold. Y'all know that I love gold, so I love it. So I'll just leave the link in the description box. Just okay, that hurt. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I'm making it more. Lift is something, boy. God. So guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I'm gonna eat some food now. I'm gonna eat my curry chicken and rice. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.